Hey everyone, it's My Healthy here, and let's be real, we all wish we had more money in our pockets. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 powerful time management strategies that can help you take control of your time and, as a result, your finances. We're going to dive deep into actionable steps you can start implementing today, and I'm going to show you exactly how these strategies translate to real savings. So if you're ready to stop the cycle of wasted time and wasted money, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, we're tackling a strategy that's completely transformed my own productivity and saved me countless hours, and that's time blocking. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I've heard of time blocking, but does it really make that much of a difference? And the answer is a resounding yes. It's about intentionally scheduling your day in blocks of time, dedicating each block to a specific task or activity. Here's how it works. Start by identifying your most important tasks for the day or week. These are your non-negotiables, the things that absolutely need to get done. Then assign specific time slots to each task on your calendar, literally blocking out that time as if it were an important appointment. The key is to be realistic with your time estimates and build in some buffer time for unexpected interruptions. When you time block, you eliminate decision fatigue. You no longer waste precious mental energy trying to decide what to work on next because it's already laid out for you. This means you can dive into each task with more focus and get more done in less time. But here's the best part. Time blocking doesn't just make you more productive, it saves you serious money. Think about all the times you've wasted hours scrolling through social media, only to realize you have to order takeout because you didn't have time to cook, or those late fees you've incurred because you forgot to pay a bill on time. Time blocking helps you avoid those costly mistakes by ensuring you allocate time for essential tasks. When you're focused and productive, you're more likely to get more high-quality work done, which can lead to promotions, raises, and more opportunities. Trust me. Once you experience the power of a well-structured schedule, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Another great benefit of time blocking is that it helps you set and achieve your goals more effectively. By breaking down your goals into manageable tasks and scheduling them into your calendar, you create a clear roadmap to success. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your time blocks ensures that you stay on track and make consistent progress towards your goals. And let's not forget about work-life balance. Time blocking allows you to allocate time for personal activities and family, ensuring you have a well-rounded life. By scheduling time for relaxation and hobbies, you can recharge and return to your tasks with renewed energy and focus. So, give time blocking a try, and watch as your productivity soars, your stress levels decrease, and your overall quality of life improves. It's a game changer. Alright, let's move on to our next strategy, which is all about tackling those small, seemingly insignificant tasks that often pile up and end up costing us time and money. I call it the 2-minute rule, and it's deceptively simple, yet incredibly effective. Here's the gist. If you can complete a task in 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Don't put it off. Don't add it to your to-do list, just get it done and over with. It's not just about the individual 2 minutes you save on each task. It's about the cumulative effect of consistently tackling these small tasks before they have a chance to snowball into bigger, more time-consuming problems. Think about it this way. Paying a bill online takes about 2 minutes. Ignoring that bill and dealing with late fees later, that's going to cost you more than 2 minutes, not to mention the added stress and potential damage to your credit score. The same goes for responding to an important email, filing a receipt, or scheduling an appointment. These are all quick tasks that can save you headaches and potential costs down the line if you just take care of them immediately. The 2-minute rule is all about building momentum and creating a sense of accomplishment. Each time you complete a small task, you're reinforcing the habit of taking action and staying on top of your responsibilities. Dedicate a specific time block each day or week to knocking out those quick tasks. By mastering the 2-minute rule, you'll not only save time and money, but you'll also cultivate a sense of control and efficiency that will spill over into other areas of your life. Alright, let's face it. We live in an age of incredible technology, and there's no reason not to leverage it to streamline our lives and save us some serious cash. From smart homes to advanced software, the tools at our disposal are more powerful than ever before. That's where strategic automation comes in. It's not just about convenience, it's about efficiency and making the most of our time and resources. It's about identifying the repetitive tasks in your life and putting them on autopilot so you can focus on the things that truly matter. Imagine having more time to spend with your family, pursue hobbies, or even just relax. Now, when I talk about automation, I'm not just talking about setting up direct deposit for your paycheck, although that's definitely a great starting point. Direct deposit ensures your money is where it needs to be without you lifting a finger. I'm talking about taking it a step further and exploring all the amazing tools and technologies that can help you automate those tedious, time-consuming tasks that suck the life out of your day and drain your bank account. From smart home devices that control your lights and thermostat to apps that manage your to-do lists, the possibilities are endless. Let's start with bill payments. This is one area where automation can make a huge difference. How many times have you incurred a late fee simply because you forgot to pay a bill on time? It's a common issue that can easily be avoided. It happens to the best of us, but it doesn't have to. By setting up automatic payments, you can ensure your bills are paid on time, every time. Most banks and service providers offer automatic bill pay options that deduct payments directly from your account on a set schedule. This not only saves you time, but also helps you avoid those pesky late fees. Set it and forget it. It's one less thing to worry about in your busy life. No more late fees, no more stress. Next up, email filtering. This is another area where automation can save you a significant amount of time and mental energy. If you're anything like me, your inbox is constantly bombarded with promotional emails, newsletters, and other digital clutter. It can be overwhelming and distracting. This can be a huge time waster, especially if you're constantly getting sidetracked by irrelevant messages. It's easy to lose focus and productivity. Most email providers allow you to create filters that automatically sort incoming messages based on sender, subject, or keywords. This can help you keep your inbox organized and manageable. Set up filters to send promotional emails to a separate folder, archive newsletters you rarely read, and prioritize messages from important contacts. This way, you can focus on what truly matters without getting bogged down by digital clutter. Now let's talk about budget tracking. Managing your finances effectively is crucial, but it doesn't have to be a manual, time-consuming process. Keeping tabs on your income and expenses is crucial for managing your money effectively, but manually tracking every transaction can be tedious and time-consuming. It can also be prone to errors. Thankfully, there are tons of budgeting apps and software programs that can automate this process for you. These tools can categorize your expenses, track your spending habits, and even alert you when you're nearing your budget limits. By automating your budget tracking, you can gain better control over your finances with minimal effort. Now, let's dive into a strategy that's often overlooked when it comes to saving money energy management. And no, I'm not talking about switching to energy-efficient light bulbs, although that's always a good idea. I'm talking about understanding your natural energy levels throughout the day and scheduling your activities accordingly to maximize your productivity and minimize costly mistakes. Think about it. We all have times of day when we're naturally more alert, focused, and energized, and times when we're more prone to distractions, procrastination, and poor decision-making. Trying to power through complex financial tasks when your energy is low is a recipe for disaster. You're more likely to make mistakes, miss important details, or simply give up altogether, which can lead to costly errors and missed opportunities. The key to energy management is to identify your peak performance times, those golden hours when you're firing on all cylinders, and schedule your most challenging financial tasks during those periods. This might mean blocking out time in the morning for tasks that require intense focus and concentration, such as reviewing investment portfolios, negotiating contracts, or tackling complex financial planning. Conversely, save your low-energy periods for tasks that are more routine or require less mental effort, such as paying bills, organizing receipts, or catching up on industry news. These tasks can often be done on autopilot, freeing up your mental bandwidth for more demanding activities later in the day. But energy management goes beyond just scheduling tasks effectively. It's also about understanding how your energy levels impact your spending habits. Think about it. When you're tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, you're far more likely to make impulsive purchases, overspend on convenience items, or simply neglect your budget altogether. On the flip side, when you're feeling energized and in control, you're more likely to make conscious spending decisions, stick to your budget, and even find creative ways to save money. Start by paying attention to your energy levels throughout the day. When do you feel most alert and focused? When do you start to feel your energy dip? Keep a journal or use an app to track these patterns over a week or two. Once you have a clear picture, you can start to create a schedule that aligns with your natural rhythms. This small adjustment can lead to significant improvements in your productivity and financial well-being. By working with your natural rhythms, you'll not only save money but also enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling life. So there you have it, 4 powerful strategies to take control of your time and your finances. Start with just one that resonates with you and gradually incorporate others as you feel more comfortable. Track your progress, see how much time and money you're saving, and adjust your approach as needed. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about how we can all make the most of our time and money.